All the domestic volumes have looked good. More on that in a bit. The first take on the market looking pretty good. 18,091 on the Nifty, holding on to that 18,000 level. The mid-cap index up about 0.3%. And the advance decline ratio, a solid 3:1 in favor of the advances. Remember, the 52-week high is 18,351, so we're barely about 300 points away from the 52-week high. What's leading the gains this morning on the index? It's Reliance Industry that's taking top honors this morning, so up almost about 1% or so. There's ICICI Bank up about 1%. IndusInd Bank is up about 1%. Power Grid is up 1.5%. Largely a lot of heavyweights. So ICICI Bank, Infosys, Reliance, and HDFC, Kotak Mahindra Bank also well in the green. Auto stocks doing well. M&M Tata Motors ahead of their numbers this morning. Sales numbers, that is. Tech Mahindra ahead of its earnings is up about 1%. TCS, HCL Tech following suit. And then you have Maruti ahead of the sales numbers as well, looking good. SBI comes out with earnings later this week, so that one ahead of its earnings is good. The only stock that's bucking the trend, of course, is Tata Steel because of the weak numbers this time, so down 2.5%. Followed by Axis Bank, a little bit of weakness there. You have Coal India and ITC that are just trending in the red. And L&T, despite a good set of numbers, remember the stock has run up quite a bit. So L&T is just trending in flat line right now. But otherwise, it is a cracker opening for the market. A century straight off the back for the Nifty, and the Sensex up over 300 points. Looking pretty good.
Well, looking pretty good, Sonia. And a few stocks to highlight. Then we just spoke to the management of AJI Green Tech. They sounded pretty optimistic about the future. And also, effectively, they'll be doubling their revenues post that acquisition. So it seems, at least for now, the street likes it. Funding, there will be a question mark. Nykaa, the star of yesterday, the stock has opened up the gain of close to around 5% yet again. So a big move is what we're seeing on that particular counter as well. Some of these mid-cap IT stocks that did well yesterday, they're seeing some follow-through. So Coforge is higher in trade today. For the time being, Escorts Kuboto, that's done a bit of a U-turn. And Intellect Design, after taking a cut of close to 13% yesterday, well, it's down yet again today. So it's a pretty good start. Some bit of selling is what we're witnessing at around the 18,120, 18,130 odd mark. So keep an eye out. And by the way, we have that large trade that's finally taken place. Axis Bank, 4 crore shares changing hands at around 895 rupees per share. So keep in mind that today's institution numbers will get skewed because of this large trade. Interesting to see who the buyers were.
All right. So 101 points and